In today's video, I'll guide you through optimizing Windows 11 for better performance. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through the Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Here, we need to disable everything in the Windows Permissions section. Click on General and toggle everything off. Go back and click on Speech and disable Online Speech Recognition. Go back and click on Inking and Typing Personalization and turn it off. Go back and go to Diagnostic and Feedback. Click on it and disable everything here. Go back and click on Activity History. Turn it off. And clear your history for this account. Now, in the Settings window, go to the Personalization section. Then click on Colors. Here, we need to disable transparency effects. To reduce resource usage, let's adjust visual effects. Go to File Explorer and right-click on this PC. And select Properties. Go to Advanced System Settings. And under the Performance section, click on Settings. In the Performance Options window, select Adjust for Best Performance to disable unnecessary visual effects. You can also choose Custom and uncheck specific effects while keeping the ones you prefer. Next, let's disable unnecessary startup programs that might be causing high CPU usage. Open the Task Manager. You can do this by pressing the key combination Control-Shift-Escape. In Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. Right-click on any programs you don't need to start automatically and select Disable. This will prevent them from running at startup and using resources on your PC. Finally, let's remove unnecessary applications from your computer or programs you no longer use. In the search bar, type Control Panel. And select it. In the opened window, select Uninstall a program. Select apps you no longer need. Right-click on them and click on Uninstall Change. After all these steps are done, it's important to restart your PC. You will notice how your PC will work much faster and lags and stuttering will no longer be a problem. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.